No blower turns on. Waiting for the flame to come on. Here's the flame. I hear a small click from like a relay down in the panel and on the board, but that's about it. It seems like no gas opens up. Then it tries a second time. Gonna try a second time. Hear like a small click. Now you get the large blower to turn on, but no burners come on at all. Okay, so now the big blower is on, but no burner after the second time. What could it be?